What's happening, my people? So it's your boy ChanceJolivette, aka Smooth. Been procrastinating. Shit, it's about 2 a.m. man. But wanted to drop this video. Well, I'm gonna edit tomorrow, but just want to get this out the way. Want to throw a style video out there, just as far as like some sneaker fashion content or something. So this not gonna be a long one. They don't have a lot of looks for this one, but this is a shoe that released not too long ago. But I did see this in the mall last time I went. So you might still can get this shoe. Does that mean it's a break or what? Whatever. But let's go through a few little looks. The way we gonna do this is I'm gonna pick a few looks. I'm gonna talk about them. Do I like this? Do I not like this? Do I refer this? At the end, I'm gonna pick up my favorite. So that's how we're gonna do that. Let's start it off. Look number 1. So this is the first one that I found. I found all these on IG by just looking at the hashtags of the shoe or whatever. So this black jeans, got a purple long sleeve shirt. This is a look that anybody can get. Like, it doesn't matter what kind of jeans you got or something. Everybody probably got a black pair of jeans. Look like they got, it's like some rips, but they got like some fabric underneath, so you can have the open rips or whatever you want. But the black jeans, the purple shirt, shit, you can find a purple shirt like that at Walmart if you want. Shit. So it's not a look that's impossible for you to find. It's not Essentials or Supreme or anything like that. Anybody can pull this off. I like it. Like, as far as originality or something, it's not like but it's something that you can do on a budget, or you can do just casual. Shit, you can certain places you can dress a little bit with this and get away with it, depending on what you're doing. Like maybe the movies or something like that. Maybe a casual date or something if you ain't going too fancy. But just a cool little look. Cool little look, man. Everybody can do this one. Next look right here. This is like, it was like an ad or something, but I found this on the IG as well. This one right here, like, I don't know why they put this together with the ad. Like, to me, this, I don't like this. I don't like this look. Like them tie-dye socks with that. Like maybe the joggers, okay, but then the jacket. I don't think the jacket would be too bad, but it goes like with the tie-dye socks. But the tie-dye socks with the court purples, I don't like that. I don't like that, man. So that's just me personally. Like, this look that they're trying to promote out there, I don't know why they picked this. I don't know why they picked this, because I'm not crazy about that one. But let's move on to number 3. Number 3. So this is, it's kind of like look number 1, but this is a female and stuff. She got purple long sleeve, but she got like a little tam or whatever, with beanie you want to call it. Depends on where your region is or whatever. But instead of like the black jeans, she got on some black tights. So it's a little bit more casual, but it's the same color scheme, color spectrum. Really, I didn't find a lot of pictures of the shoe, so I gotta work with what I can find. So this right here is cool. It's a little more casual than look number 1, but it's pretty much the same thing. And I'm pretty sure it's a look that anybody can get. It's not something that'll be hard to find or whatever. So you can put this together, the females or whatever. Move on to look number 4. So look number 4, this one right here. Maybe if you real young or something. I think, to me personally, it's just too much going on. Like them jeans, some people might be like, "Ooh, wait, you got them jeans? That's fine." To me, that's probably like inhibits in the back, like the NBA YoungBoy collection. Where I don't know about y'all. In Louisiana, you go into Hibbett Sports or something, and they have like the hood apparel in the back, and it's like NBA YoungBoy clothes. Like, I don't know if they have that in North Carolina or Nebraska, Ohio. I don't know if it's like that other places, but I know in Louisiana they have an NBA YoungBoy section, and it be some shit like that. I'm too old for the NBA YoungBoy apparel. No, I don't want none of that shit. And that right there, it's just too much. It's like it reminded me of Rick Ross Mastermind album cover. It was a dope album cover, but it just too much color popping and stuff. It's like somebody threw up a rainbow on it. There's some people might like this, some people this might be your bag, but it's too much. It's too much in this. It's like it give me City Trend vibes and stuff. Like I got nightmares of City Trends, man. Like we used to really go shopping City Trends and stuff. Like, but anyways, so man, move on to the next one right here. This is number 5. Casual. I like this one right here. All black joint. And the core purples, what can you do with core purples? What goes with core purple? Laker stuff. So it's like an easy thing to go to, so it can get played out. But I like the way that he did it, because it's not the yellow jersey, it's not the purple jersey. He got the black jersey. The black jersey, that's the Mamba joint, I think. So we got the black Mamba jersey with the black undershirt, black jeans. Like, it's hood, it's casual, it's sporty, but I like it. I like it, man. I think he did his thing with that. So that's something I'd rock that with the court purples. And moving on to my last look right here. There's something else I found. Like I like the picture. The picture is dope right there. But very casual look. Homeboy, he was hooping. They had a video with it. He was actually dunking and shit like that. So that's cool. But he got just like the Jordan shorts. Got the Jordan hoodie with the purple and stuff like that. So it's nothing super spectacular. Anything is casual look. But I do like it. I do like it with the court purples and stuff. So this is all the looks that I found. All the looks that I found with this shoe. And so since I don't have the shoe in hand and I'm not showing you any of my looks, I'm going to pick a winner out of the crew. And which one do I like the most? And my winner for this is the last one. I like the last one the most. Me personally. Like, I really like that hoodie. I really like that hoodie with the core purples, even though it's a lighter purple or something. But they do have a dark purple that matches, like, as a stripe on the hoodie or something. And then they did manipulate the colors. Like, that's not exactly what the colors are, but they did the colors, like, for the picture or whatever. So I'm pretty sure it's like it might be a little bit different in person, the hoodie. But it's dope to me. And I think they kind of got me, just my photographic mind, like just me liking cinematography and stuff. Like, just the picture is so dope. I think that kind of affects my mind as well. My second look probably would be the probably that Lakers jersey. I do like that one as well, but I like the last one. So that is my thoughts, man. That's a few other things you can do to rock the court purples and stuff, man. So like, comment, subscribe. Don't be the greatest and the most hated, man. Holla at your boy.